In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed HTML and JavaScript in new Google Sites. To begin, open your site in the new Google Sites editor, and make sure you are on the page where you want the content to appear. The embedding tool in Google Sites is designed to place custom code inside a content box on your page, which is useful for things like custom layouts, simple widgets, or interactive elements that are built with HTML and JavaScript. On the right side of the editor, go to the Insert tab. This is where you add new content blocks to your page, like text, images, buttons, and embeds. In the Insert panel, select Embed. When the Embed window opens, choose the option labeled Embed Code. This is the option that lets you paste in your own HTML and JavaScript directly. Next, paste your HTML and JavaScript code into the box provided. Take a moment to confirm you are pasting the full snippet you intend to use. A helpful tip is to keep your code clean and properly formatted before you paste it in, since missing tags or incomplete script sections can prevent your embed from displaying correctly. Also, if your code relies on external resources, make sure those resources are accessible, because Google Sites can only display what your code can load. After your code is in place, select Next. Google Sites will show you a preview so you can verify that your content renders the way you expect. If the preview looks correct, continue by selecting Insert. This places the embedded code onto your page as an embedded content box. Finally, resize the embed box to fit your content. Click the embedded area on the page and use the resizing handles to adjust the width and height. This is important because the embedded content may be clipped if the box is too small, or it may leave extra empty space if the box is too large. Adjust it until the content looks balanced and aligned with the rest of your page. Once it is sized properly, your HTML and JavaScript embed is in place and ready as part of your Google site. And that covers everything you need to know.